Hey, what's up, Kville? Hey, I'm sure you watch see those shows on TV, those do-it-yourself shows. Big fancy house, and then walk into that brand new bedroom, and then the lady's all like, ooh, let me check out my closet. And you go into the closet, and it's super nice, and everything is nice and organized. Someone designed that closet, and we're here right in Grand Rapids with some of those people that do that exact design. Closets by Design. Let's go check them out.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Bird. I'm the owner of Closets by Design of West Michigan. We are an upstart business here, brand new in West Michigan, right on the corner of Broadmoor and 36th Street. So Closets by Design is not new. We're part of a franchise system. We've been around for, almost 40 years, since 1982. The system has been growing quite a bit recently, up to about 60 locations in the US and Canada. We have a large territory that we're serving here from Grand Rapids. Could be really about an hour and a half drive in just about any direction. So we're looking to really grow this business and build up really all the way down along the lake shore from Benton Harbor, St. Joe, all the way up past Muskegon, up towards Pentwater. We're covering Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, of course Grand Rapids, and all the way up towards the Big Rapids area. So nice big territory. We are really a one-stop shop when it comes to organizational solutions. So we have a team of sales designers who go out and custom design solutions for our clients. We then turn around and custom build and manufacture those solutions here on location at our manufacturing site. And then we take a team of installers and go out and install those products at our customers or our clients' homes or small businesses. So in new employees, really we are looking for, not necessarily experience, but we're looking for people with a good head on their shoulders. And what I mean by that is we're looking for people who can come in and show a willingness to learn, to problem solve, to think outside the box. We are learning ourselves. This is a new business, as I mentioned, and so every single day we are coming across new challenges. So folks who can come in here and help us solve those problems and help us think through some of these challenges we're facing, new and better ways to get things done, solve challenges on location in our customers' homes. If we run across an issue, really we're looking for people who can make things happen, who can work through challenges on their own, but folks who really have an interest in being here and being in this type of work, in building things, installing things, making an otherwise ordinary space into something much more usable for our clients. Advice for high school students, I think I would circle back to that problem-solving mentality. I think it's important when you're getting out there in the world to show people that you're able to work through challenges, that you're able to overcome adversity, to think through ambiguity, and solve challenges, solve problems, and make things happen on your own. Of course, all the standard things, showing up on time, being personable, and friendly with people are key, but for us, we're happy to bring young people on location and give them a shot. It goes a long way when you can show us that you not only want to be here and you're enthusiastic and excited to be here, but that you can help us think through these challenges and work through these challenges and make this a better place to be. So be a problem solver whenever possible, and really try to be a part of a team, right? Teamwork is key. We're trying to grow a new team here, a new business here, and so we're looking for people who will come in and help us all out and contribute in any way they can. So material is going to come in through the back door here, kind of get stored off to the side and the back. Everything runs across kind of the heart of our operation, which is our industrial sliding saw. Sheet material gets cut down into pieces on the saw, and as it's cut down, then it moves over to our edge banding machine here. So any exposed edges of the engineered material will get edge banded here on this machine. From this machine, product flows on carts over to this workstation here, which is called a Ganomat. It's essentially a line drilling machine which drills a series of holes vertically up and down long panels in closet systems. So essentially on long panels that you'll find in closets and cabinetry and so forth, which allows for adjustability within your shelving systems. From the Ganomat, then material will flow over to our drawer box and cabinet building station and over to some specialized drilling machines. We've got a Rayfix machine over here, as well as a cabinet drilling machine. So essentially drilling concealed hardware for our cabinet systems. There's a pocket screw machine over here, as well as over in the back we're cutting our metal pieces, so closet rods and so forth that need to be trimmed down to size. Everything we do through this plant is built in a customized nature, so every single machine is specialized for its intended purpose. Product is then stacked over in the back once it's through all the necessary operations, and then gets loaded onto our installation vans and will go out accordingly. Generally, we're running jobs on a 1 to 2 day installation.
So there you go, Kelloggsville. All the stuff that goes into designing a closet, from start to finish. The design, the manufacturing of it, and installation. All right here, Closets by Design, right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And now it's time to go to work.